She sent me a private message that stopped me in my tracks. It said, I would love to plan an adventure, but I just don't have the time like other ladies. And I read that and I thought, oh, Jen, I know that feeling. I have been that woman, the one scrolling other people's adventure photos at 11 p.m. thinking, when is it my turn? So Jen and I jumped on a call and I walked her through something I call the map your real time. And I want to tell you what happened because it is going to change the way you think about time and adventure for good. We sat down together and we looked at her actual calendar, not the idea of her calendar, the real one. And we mapped it out year, month, week. And here is what Jen found. She had a 3-day weekend one time a year that she could give entirely to herself and a trip. And she had one Saturday morning, so 8 to 11 every Saturday or one Saturday morning once a month that she could carve out for just her. That's it. That's all she needed to hear. She went from, I don't have the time like other ladies, to realizing she could plan one adventure weekend a year and one micro adventure every single month. She didn't have to wait anymore. She didn't have to put it off. Her adventure was already there. She just couldn't see it yet. Welcome to the Ladies Confident Trail Show.
Is the Ladies Confident Trail Show. This is the Ladies Confident Trail Show.
I'm Kristin DeLibero from LadyJeepers.com, and this is the show for women who own Jeeps and are ready to stop dreaming about adventures and start actually taking them. Each week, we talk about confidence, trail life, planning, and everything in between because your Jeep is not just a vehicle, it's the thing that carries you back to yourself. If this is your first episode, I am so glad you found us. And if you're a regular, hello, friend. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about time because I hear this all the time. All the time. I don't have enough time. Other women must have more freedom than me. Maybe when things slow down, maybe next year. Does this sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. Here is what I want to say to you. And I want you to really hear this. You don't have a time problem. You have a mindset problem. The way that you look at things, think about things, problem. And those are very different things. When we look at other women's adventures on Instagram, on YouTube, in a Facebook group, we are seeing the highlight reel. We are not seeing the school pickups and the work deadlines and the laundry pile and the 10 things they said no to so they could say yes to that trail adventure. We compare our behind the scenes to their highlight reel and we decide we don't measure up. We decide adventure isn't available to us. But here's the thing. I have never sat down with a woman and mapped her time and come up completely empty. That there was no time, not once. The time is there. We just haven't looked for it yet. So that's what map your real time is. It's not a time management system. It is not about squeezing more time into an already full life. It is about seeing what is already there. And we do that in 3 layers. I'm going to break those down for you today. So, layer 1 is the year. This is the big overview picture. Pull out the year in review where you have every single month with all the days on one piece of paper, shows the entire year, and you are going to start looking for pockets. Long weekends, a vacation window, a holiday stretch where the kids are at their dad's, or you can get a babysitter, or the calendar just naturally clears a little. Most women find at least one 3-day weekend a year, sometimes 2 or 3. It could be a week, and they haven't yet claimed it for themselves, not for others, not for family trips, for themselves. Because that is not your adventure weekend. That goes on the calendar in ink. You put yours down in permanent red pen. Then we're going to step back and we look at layer two, which is a month. So if you were to take just a blank calendar of a month and go ahead and look at that, what is your normal month, a normal month look like? And look at, do you have reoccurring pockets that belong to you? Do you have things where you set time for yourself? Do you know you have reoccurring appointments on that month calendar? Or do you know that there is somewhere within that month, maybe it's every Saturday, maybe it's every other Saturday, maybe it's one Saturday a month that you can devote, and what time gap is there just for you, for yourself, so you can take back that time and that time chunk and have something for you. So Jen found one Saturday a month from 8 to 11 o'clock in the morning, and that was 3 hours once a month that became her micro adventure time. A short trail, a new park that she went to, a drive from the top of the mountain down to somewhere she had never been. That was her time. And she could set up those micro adventures, whatever worked for her. So then our step three and layer three is look at the week. So this one is going to be smaller. And honestly, it's less about planning a trip and more about staying connected to the feeling of adventure. So it doesn't become a someday dream that slowly fades. So look at this as, a 20-minute drive after work, a different way home, a trail research session with some coffee, going somewhere special. Maybe it's an episode of the Confident Trail Show video, but something that keeps that flame going, where you can find, whether it's 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours every week, at some point that you can carve out that is just for you. I feel like sometimes we are looking for these huge time blocks. We put pressure on when we start making our calendar and doing things for ourselves. This could be 30 minutes a week, an hour a week, 2 hours a week, whatever you have. This isn't something that you're looking at every single day. That would be amazing, right? For some of you amazing ladies, you have that area in your calendar. This is about finding your time map, not someone else's highlight reel, but yours, and what truly works and fits into your real life. And that is so important because here is the truth. Adventure, it doesn't happen because we suddenly have more time. They happen because we decide to see the time we already have and do something with it and make that commitment to yourself. So can I ask you something? Does any of this sound like you? Like the dream is real. The Jeep is sitting in the driveway, but somewhere along the way, you stopped being on the list. That time for you. Yeah, me too, for a long time. And I get it. And Jen just had to find the time on her calendar. And she found herself on her calendar, not just the time. And those are two very different things. When she saw that 3 day window and she claimed it for herself, when she wrote it down and made it real with that red pen in her calendar, something shifted. She stopped being the woman who took care of everyone else and hoped there would be something left for her. She became the woman who planned her own adventure, who showed up for herself the way she showed up for everyone else. And I'll tell you what happened next. We're going to get into Jen's full story in our future episode and inside our upcoming 3 day challenge in depth. But the short version is something came up that conflicted with her adventure trip. And it was a family plan that landed right on top of her weekend that she had put down in that red pen. But you know what? She didn't take her planned adventure off of her calendar. She stayed And she took all of that trip and all of that adventure trip. And she did it for herself. And I'll tell you what happened next. We'll get into Jen's full story in our upcoming 3-day challenge in depth. But I just want you to know there is so much that goes into planning our adventurous life, our Jeep trips, our trail trips, an adventure trip that can fit into real life and not just be a highlight reel, but actually figure out how does this work for me? Because everyone is different. Every adventure is different. And that is the real result of Map Your Real Time. It's not just a plan, it's a version of yourself who believes her adventure matters. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, Kristin, I want to do this, but I don't know where to start, I have something for you. This Monday, I am hosting a free 3-day live challenge. It is called Dream It, Plan It, Take the Adventure. So 3 days live on Zoom. And by the end of day 3, you are going to walk away with a real trip plan, a destination, a route, a place to stay, trails picked out, and a date on your calendar written in red that works for you and your real life, not someday, an actual date. So day 1 is our Dream It. We figure out what your adventure actually looks like and what is calling to you. Day 2 is we plan it. And yes, we do Map Your Real Time together live. So you find your window. We go more in depth. Day 3 is Take the Adventure. And we build your full route and trail plans, everything together. And I have a super special, exciting announcement on there. I'm going to show you how to use one thing on your phone to plan any adventure trip that you have ever wanted to plan or want to plan coming up in the future, and do so in 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes, have everything saved, stored in one place so you never lose it. You don't have 47 open tabs on your computer screen anymore. And it is all there sitting, waiting for you. Put it on the calendar. All you have to do is open it up on your phone and you get to take the adventure. Literally 5 minutes. And I did say 5 minutes. I'm so excited. We'll be diving into that into day 3 together. And the best part of this challenge is it's free. So no credit card, just you, your Jeep, and 3 days that could change everything. So the link to join is going to be down below. You can also drive over to ladyjeepers.live/challenge. Go ahead, grab your free seat. And the challenge starts Monday. And I would love to see your name on the list. All right, friend, that is it for today's episode of the Ladies Confident Trail Show. If this episode hit home for you, share it with a Jeep sister who needs to hear it. Leave us a comment if you are feeling generous, and I will see you Monday at the challenge or right back here next week, every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time for our next episode of the Ladies Confident Trail Show and podcast. Remember, your Jeep journey doesn't have to look like everyone else's, and your adventure, it's already waiting for you. You just have to claim it.
We love to go off-road in our Jeeps because it makes us feel free. Subscribe and join us weekly. Adventure is a skill, confidence is built, and you belong on the trail. This is the Ladies Confident Trail Show. This is the Ladies Confident Trail Show.